In 2021, Rheinmetall expanded its Mission Master family with the introduction of the Mission Master XT, a remarkable unmanned ground vehicle built to excel in extreme conditions. Unlike conventional UGVs, the XT was engineered specifically to assist troops in navigating difficult terrain and enduring harsh weather. Capable of traveling up to 750 kilometers without refueling, it can transport an impressive payload of up to 1 ton, making it a powerful logistics tool. A standout feature is its integrated tire inflation system, which allows it to handle punctures as large as 2 centimeters, ensuring uninterrupted mobility. From snow and ice to water, mud, sand, or rocky landscapes, the Mission Master XT is designed to conquer virtually any environment. For situations where autonomous navigation proves challenging, operators can switch to manual control using a joystick while seated comfortably in a foldable chair, blending cutting-edge autonomy with practical human oversight to maximize reliability and versatility in the field. Building a universal floating bridge is far from simple, as NATO countries constantly update their requirements. But the French company CNIM has risen to the challenge. In 2021, it unveiled a new generation of motorized floating bridges, PFM, capable of supporting the heaviest modern tanks, including the Abrams M1A2 and the Leopard 2A7. Each bridge section is equipped with its own engine, allowing for flexible maneuvering, while a single remote control system provides centralized operation for efficiency and ease of use. These bridges are not just theoretical concepts. The French Army has already deployed them, and Poland has ordered several hundred meters of bridge systems to enhance its military engineering capabilities. Originally designed to be air transportable, the PFM also demonstrates versatility beyond combat, offering potential applications for civilian use. It can serve as a temporary ferry or provide critical infrastructure support during emergencies when traditional bridges are damaged or under repair, showcasing its adaptability. The German company Zippermast GmbH recognizes the critical role of intelligence in modern operations and has developed the ZM1060 mast system to meet those demands. This advanced system can elevate radars, sensors, and other essential equipment to a height of up to 10 meters, significantly enhancing surveillance and communication capabilities. Its versatility allows it to be deployed directly in natural environments, such as forests, or mounted on vehicles like the ZL infantry support platform, ensuring adaptability across different missions. To enhance concealment, the system is paired with ghost hood camouflage, a design informed by perception research that takes into account how humans detect and interpret shapes and patterns. This approach ensures that the mast blends seamlessly into its surroundings, reducing the likelihood of detection. Combining technological performance with sophisticated camouflage, the ZM1060 offers a reliable and flexible solution for gathering intelligence while remaining discreet in the field. The Telemax EVO Plus robot carries the slogan, "Designed by experts for experts," and it lives up to that claim with impressive capabilities. This tracked, unmanned system can lift loads of up to 80 kilograms, reach speeds of 5 kilometers per hour, and operate for as long as 12 hours on a single charge, making it highly reliable for extended missions. Equipped with an HD camera featuring pan, tilt, and zoom, it provides operators with excellent situational awareness in complex environments. Its advanced track design allows it to climb 45-degree stairs with ease, expanding its mobility across urban and rugged terrain alike. To ensure uninterrupted control, the EVO Plus integrates a robust mesh communication system that maintains strong connectivity even in dense city landscapes where signals often struggle. Produced by AeroVironment, a prominent American defense contractor and trusted supplier to the Pentagon, the Telemax EVO Plus demonstrates a blend of durability, versatility, and cutting-edge engineering tailored for professional use. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is a familiar sight in Hollywood films featuring the U.S. military, but its real-world capabilities are even more impressive. With a maximum flight speed of 500 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 1,600 kilometers, this versatile tiltrotor aircraft excels in both speed and endurance. Weighing 24 tons at takeoff, it can hover at altitudes exceeding 3,000 meters. Designed for demanding missions, the V-22 can transport up to 24 soldiers along with a 4-member crew, making it a key asset in air assaults, rescue operations, and VIP transport. Additionally, it has aerial refueling capabilities, extending its operational reach. If the V-22 had emotions, it would likely take pride in both its Hollywood fame and its dominance in the skies. The Saab A-26 submarines, developed for the Swedish Navy, are among the most formidable hunters in the northern seas. With a displacement of 2,000 tons, they utilize diesel-electric propulsion and advanced Stirling AIP batteries, allowing them to remain submerged for extended periods without surfacing to recharge. A key feature of these submarines is the multi-mission portal system, which enables the launch of both manned and unmanned vehicles from the front compartment. Their stealth capabilities are so advanced that enemies may only detect them after they have already completed their mission. Additionally, the A-26 class boats are designed to withstand underwater explosions, with successful tests conducted while a full crew was on board, further proving their resilience and combat readiness. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider is a next-generation tactical helicopter built for speed, agility, and versatility. Capable of reaching an impressive 410 kilometers per hour, nearly twice as fast as traditional helicopters, it offers unmatched performance without sacrificing maneuverability. Designed to carry substantial payloads, it can transport 6 soldiers along with their ammunition and weapons to critical locations. Built for extreme conditions, the S-97 can fly at altitudes of up to 3 kilometers and withstand high temperatures. Even if its tail rotor is damaged in combat, it can continue flying using its main propellers for control. Expected to play a key role in assault and rapid strike missions, the S-97 is set to revolutionize aerial operations in the near future. The Zumwalt-class destroyer is a cutting-edge warship designed for U.S. Navy missions requiring both stealth and firepower. With a displacement of 15,997 tons, its distinct hull shape minimizes radar visibility, making it harder to detect. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbine engines, each generating 47,500 horsepower, it reaches speeds of up to 30 knots. The ship operates with a crew of 147 and has space to accommodate 28 additional Marines. Its formidable arsenal includes 80 vertical launch cells for Tomahawk missiles and 2 155mm guns, complemented by active defense systems and fire scout drones. While the Zumwalt may be difficult to spot on radar, its presence is undeniably impressive in person.